Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to set the alarm time on your Casio G-SHOCK Land Mudmaster Module 5562 watch. So this can get a little bit confusing. I'm going to do my best to walk through it as basic as possible. The alarm is pretty simple. You've got 5 different alarms you can set on this watch as well as your hourly chime. The only caveat to your alarm settings is you can't be in the regular time mode screen. You have to get to your alarm mode screen. And the way we're going to do that is we're simply going to press the mode button, which is the bottom left button if the watch is facing you. As we press it, it'll tell you which mode screen you're on. So for example, I press it once, I'm on world time. Press it again, I'm on stopwatch. Timer. The one you're looking for is ALM. Now you're in your alarm mode screen. You'll see that mine is showing AL4 and that the alarm is on. That's because that's the last alarm that I was on when I was in this mode. If you want to cycle through a different alarm, maybe I'm not interested in my 4th alarm, I can simply press the down button on the right hand side and that will toggle through my different alarms. So there was alarm 5, SIG is your hourly signal, alarm 1, alarm 2. For each one, it's going to have its own status. So you can see alarm 2 is at 9:05 p.m. Not sure if you're able to see the PM indicator. I probably should have put it in 24-hour format for this video, but that alarm is on. But if I go to alarm number 3 is off. You've also got an indicator over here. My hand is in the way. Maybe it'll move here in a second when we adjust it. It'll show you whether or not you've got any of your alarms on or not. But for the given alarm, let's just say we want to set the time for alarm number 3. Currently, it's just set to midnight. Let's adjust that. For any given alarm, you're going to want to toggle to the alarm that you want to be on, and then all we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the adjust button while we're on that alarm. My hand's moved a little bit. You'll see a blinking indicator here, and that your hour is blinking. That shows you that you're in the setting mode for the given alarm. If I want to adjust my hours, now this doesn't make a whole lot of sense. If I want to adjust them down, I'm going to press the up button on the right hand side. That will take the hours down. If I want to adjust them up, I will press the down button on the right hand side. Why they did it this way, I don't know. If you've watched my other videos, you've heard me say this before. But anyway, I've got it set for 11. Now if I want to move over to the minutes, I can press the mode button and my minutes will start blinking. Again, I can make the same adjustments here. If I want to go down, I'll press the up button. If I want to go up, I'll press the down button. So I've got my alarm set for 11:05. Once I've got it set the way I want, again, this is for alarm number 3, I can simply press the adjust button and we've saved our alarm for alarm number 3. Now let's say tomorrow's a holiday and I don't want that alarm going off on any one of these alarms. All I have to do is press the adjust button. Don't press and hold it because that'll take us back into our settings. But if I just press it, it'll toggle the alarm on or off. So now I've got alarm number 3 off. I'm going to move to my other alarms. Like alarm number 4 is currently on. I'm going to press adjust and now it's off. Alarm number 5 is off. If I wanted to turn it on, same thing. I can simply toggle it, put it on, toggle it to put it off. You'll do the same thing for the hourly chime. If you want your hourly chime to be on or off, you can simply go to the SIG for signal and now it's on. I hope that makes sense. The only other thing to show you is at any point in here, if you want to test your alarm, all you have to do is press and hold the down button. And you can hear your alarm. There's also an alarm countdown. Once you get within an hour of an alarm on your main time mode screen, you'll see an indication down here of how much time you've got until your next alarm goes off. And that's kind of a snooze functionality. So if you've got multiple alarms set, once one of your alarms goes off, it'll give you an indication of when your next alarm will be going off, as long as it's within an hour of that alarm going off. As always, I hope this video makes sense. I hope it helps you out. Once you're done adjusting your alarms, you can simply press the mode button, get back to your main timekeeping mode screen.